Gotcha. What are you doing here? I thought I told you that you have been blacklisted. What do you think you're doing?
Listen very carefully. I know what you did. I know you were trying to destroy my life, but guess what? I won't let you. There's nothing left to do except this.
Shane, no, we can talk about this peacefully.
Too late. The damage is already done. I'm gonna lose everything thanks to you. I thought you trusted me from the beginning, but you never have. I have to destroy you, for the sake of my pharmacy.
Your pharmacy? Seriously? You can't just try to shoot me and get away with murder. That never helps.
We'll see about that. If you got any last words, just say them. Now. No? Nothing? Then it looks like I'll settle this on my own. So long, princess. Shit. Fine. Plan B it is. Tell me, Andrea. Tell me why you swapped my SIM card.
Okay, so would you like to check out your newly upgraded spare room?
Sure thing, my egg, Mama, beneath the waiting.
Come on. What the fuck are you waiting for? Just tell me the truth.
You're getting discharged tomorrow. Oh, that is so great to hear. I hope I can get to see you.
Tell me! Did you ever love me? No! Was it always torture?
Get off me!